2004, I was 18, and I had no idea what I would be when I grew up. There was a strange bug hatching, crawling up the trees, chattering through the night, flying into our homes and windshields. As it turns out, when I grew up, I would be a fly fisherman. But I didn't get to fish that hatch. I was introduced to the sport about a month too late. And I vowed not to miss the next one.
Go on and have a good cry, 'cause we're all lonely, and we're all lonely together.
Go.
This is, in order, Max, Jason, Nick, and myself. There's not much time to get into it, but we were on this river hoping to catch the hatch that we had all been thinking about for 17 years. We quickly realized that the bugs were not on the river yet. They hadn't made it down that far. We were early, but once I accepted this, everything felt like a dream. Like the sound of a summer rainstorm or the smell of honeysuckles. And I felt like a kid again. Well, that was it. You know, I tried. And I could live with that. But something just didn't feel right. It felt like there was unfinished business. And then I got this call.
I mean, they're killing this, like one tree in my neighbor's yard, looking at it, all the dead branches, and they're flying all over. If they come out there in this number, I mean, it could be full on.
Jason and some friends made it back to the same river. I couldn't go. I was stuck back in Montana. Plus, we didn't know if the fishing would be any good. But
I mean, we were catching fish. It was like ridiculous. Just the amount of action.
And then I did what any aging trout bum would do. I booked a last-minute ticket and flew from Missoula to Baltimore. I slept in the back of my rental car, and I fished by myself.
I just need someone in my life to give it structure, to handle all the selfish ways I'd spend my time without